Nucypher truly is a cryptographic system that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers designers to store, share, and oversee private information across numerous blockchains while allowing engineers to exceptionally delicate data across most certainly a few applications incredibly. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data, or so they thought. The ventures, for example, banking and medical services areas that arrangement with a colossal volume of subtleties influence the upsides of Nucypher security encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Egrove and McLean Wilkerson in 2015. The two certainly principal innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate unique access control and mystery the executives. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and denies admittance to fundamentally delicate information, though exceptionally secret administration framework stores commonly delicate data like passwords and confidential keys in a significant manner. This sort of is accomplished with the assistance of Umbrella and Ursula. Previous generally is the encryption plan of Nucypher and later essentially is an organization of working hubs. Umbrella assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without taking a chance with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish unscrambling privileges to the beneficiaries with the assistance of intermediary hubs in an especially significant manner. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, yet they for the most part perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula stake Nu to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. To regrave it with the confidential key, which is very critical. Highlights of Nucypher organization, which is genuinely critical. Nucypher was framed to generally determine the issues of public key encryption frameworks. Like the SSL/TLS in web applications, Nucypher is turning into an unavoidable piece of sort of decentralized applications, which is very critical. Nucypher convention essentially includes three significant components. Staker, right off the bat, hubs in which Nu can be secured in the marking escrow for a span, or so they fundamentally thought. The locking of Nu will produce two sorts of remunerations. Expansion reward Nu and strategy reward ETH in a significant manner. Also, the laborer hub called Ursula in a real sense helps hold cryptographic tasks. At long last, Umbrella intermediary re-encryption, a key encryption type, gives access control to dispersed conventions. Together the organization jammed data from assaults and spamming in a significant manner. Nucypher specialized examination. The authentic value graph of Nucypher is intriguing. Nucypher took off essentially on October 15, 2021, on the event of the principal commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group supported the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchange in 2020. After the new cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed basically multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Besides, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital money market expanded, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Financial backers are pondering the explanation for the Nucypher cryptographic money rush. The new cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the well-known cryptographic money trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at $0.4875 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09, which is genuinely critical. The market cap especially is $342,736,514.25, with a flowing stockpile of 703 million Nu in an especially large manner. The unsurpassed most certainly high is set apart at $3.58, coin market cap, on October 15, 2021. The unequaled fundamentally low is $0.0611, which was on November 2020, which is very critical. The sort of current cost is around 79%, not exactly the greatest cost, and it in a real sense is because of the selling tension after the record-breaking most certainly high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs, which explicitly is very critical. The present cost and volume sort of plunged contrasted with the earlier days. At the hour of composing, Nu exchanged on the for the most part turn. Quick help essentially is set at $0.442, and any Nucypher cost drop from this may explicitly look for help at $0.425. Beneath $0.425, dealers can sell Nucypher, and it will contact $0.394, which is genuinely huge. On the opposite side, pretty close by obstruction is set at $0.550, and there is an opposition after that at $0.700. The significant obstruction is set at $0.801. According to our Nucypher gauge, a drawn-out expansion in the worth essentially is expected. The cost figure for the year 2027 proposes the worth may be around $1.990. Putting resources into new virtual monetary standards could turn out to be an incredible expansion to your portfolio. Nucypher has a great deal of potential for bringing in cash. The cost won't fall according to the figures amazingly. The truly most extreme cost is expected to be $14.836 in a 5-year conjecture in an unobtrusive way. Nucypher value expectation 2022. New coin cost expectation explicitly is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Thus, the exceptionally normal cost is most certainly anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher coin forecast 2023. Nucypher crypto cost forecast by and large hypothesize a beginning at 70 cents. New value forecast is bit by bit going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the primary quarter, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nucypher coin cost forecast predict an end at 74 cents constantly end. Nucypher value forecast 2024, which basically is genuinely critical. Nucypher expectations are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying half might show a delayed vertical development and is supposed to cross $1.05 by the principal half. The cost will again tumble to 73 cents toward the finish of 2024. Nucypher value forecast 2025. New crypto cost forecast predicts a beginning at $1.09. The greatest cost anticipated for 2025 is $1.18.